Hi everyone, in today's tutorial I'm gonna demonstrate how to convert these decimals into fractions in Microsoft Word. Here you can see I have listed a few decimals which I want to convert into fractions. So simply select these numbers and go over here into this number group, click on this little arrow and choose this fraction option. Simply click over it and there you can see it has converted the decimals into fractions. But here is a caveat in this formatting fraction. Up to 1 into 1 by 2, all the decimals have been converted to fractions correctly apart from this last one. Look at this. It's 0.9 and the conversion has been 8 by 9, which is simply incorrect. The correct fraction would have been 9 by 10. The reason behind this incorrect fraction is that Excel actually tries to round off the data in such a way that the denominator should be kept to only one digit. Now, if you have some data where you need to have a single digit denominator, then you can apply this fraction formatting. Otherwise, simply go over here and click on this dialog box launcher, and over here you can see we have this fraction option. Click over it and here you can see we have many types given over here, up to 1 digit, up to 2 digits, up to 3 digits, and so on. Let me choose this up to 2 digits option and click on OK, and there you go. Now it has been correctly fractioned by applying 2-digit denominator option. Let's try some other options as well. Simply select it, go over here and let me convert these to halves. Simply choose this option, click on OK, and there you can see it has converted all the fractions into halves. 1 by 2, 1 by 2, and over here it has converted it into a whole number, again a whole number. But over here you see it has converted the number to a 0. Let me change it to 0.3, press enter, and now you can see it has rounded it off closer to 1 by 2. So it actually adjusts the number in such a way that it gets closer to 1/2 of that particular number. Similarly, you can also convert these numbers to as quarters, as eighths, etc. as well. Let me press Ctrl Z to undo it. One more thing that I would like to point out, for example, if you are interested to have a particular denominator, then you can also do that as well. Simply select it, go to Format Cell option, go to Custom, and over here you can choose a particular denominator. Simply press hashtag space 2 question marks / and then over here you can put in the denominator you want in your fractions. Let me put 50 and click on OK, and there you can see the numbers have been converted into decimals, keeping the denominator as 50. So this is how you can actually convert the decimals into fractions, and you can also apply a custom denominator to your fractions as well. So that was it for today's tutorial. I hope you have found this tutorial useful. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.